If you are launching a new product or a new feature and the reward you want to give to the participants of your referral campaign is early access to it, then this is the template for you. With this template you can create a waitlist that participants are climbing by bringing more and more referrals. In this way you will identify your early adopters that can provide you with the most valuable feedback in your beginning. The installation is very simple, and all you have to do is add some JavaScript code near the closing body tag in the page where you want to host your campaign. Next, you need to add one line of HTML for the trigger button that your participants will use to open the pop-up and join the campaign. If you need more instructions, you can always check out the rest of the documentation for this article. Alternatively, you can use a ready-made page from Varaloops to host your campaign. You can see yours in the installation step of the campaign wizard, or you will find more options for the customization of this page. Now here's how this campaign looks like. You can see that I have installed the trigger button and the landing page for my product, and by clicking this, the pop-up opens. Here I can provide my name and my email address, and then I join the waiting list. Now my position on the waiting list is at the bottom, so the last position, and I have the sharing options that I can use, and by referring others I will be able to climb the waiting list and get early access.